Planning a camping trip? Whether you're new to camping or just want to make your next trip even smoother, here's 5 essential ways that you can make your time outdoors fun, easy, and stress-free. Love catching the sunrise? Pick a campsite with great views so you can start your day with something special. If hiking's more your thing, look for a spot close to the trails. There are plenty of campsites that put you right next to peaceful bushwalks and forest tracks just waiting to be explored. There's a site out there that matches your style, and booking the one that suits the kind of adventure you're after makes all the difference. Once you've booked your site, download an offline version of the map of the area you'll be visiting in case you lose reception. And keep an eye on the weather forecast in the lead up to your trip. Check the Parks Victoria website to see whether there's drinking water or toilets available at the campground and to see if any conditions have changed at your campsite. Make the whole experience easy for yourself by arriving in the day when there's plenty of light outside. Arriving before it gets dark will allow you to familiarise yourself with the surroundings and set up camp without tripping over ropes and fumbling for a torch. It's a great way to start your adventure off on the right foot and will give you even more time to explore and enjoy the area. Get the basics packed first: a tent to sleep in with all the poles and pegs and a mallet, a sleeping mat and sleeping bag, a pillow and an extra blanket. You don't need a ton of fancy gear, just the right stuff for you. If it's going to be hot, stay sun smart and pack sunscreen, hats, a first aid kit and mosquito repellent. Plenty of food and extra water will always come in handy. About 5 litres is best. And don't forget a good light source with fully charged batteries for when things get dark. If it looks like it might rain, wet weather gear like gumboots, a rain jacket and a towel is always worth throwing in the car. A tent with a rainfly and a tarp underneath will also help keep you dry. Make sure you're covered by checking out our extended packing list linked in the description box. A great campsite vibe starts with being kind to the land and the locals. If you're lucky enough to share your campsite with wildlife, be sure to say hello from a distance and keep your music at a reasonable level. Thinking of having a campfire? First things first, check that it's not a total fire ban day. Fires must be lit in the designated fire pits and kept at least 3 meters from anything flammable, including overhanging branches. Bring along your own firewood from a sustainable source, stack it neatly with nothing sticking out, and keep a close eye on the flames. There should always be an adult around to supervise. Keep it cozy. Any food scraps or rubbish don't belong in the fire. And when it's time to pack it in, fully extinguish your fire with a big bucket of water. Make sure it's cool to the touch before you head off to bed. Keep some extra rubbish bags in the car for your food scraps and make sure you take every single thing home with you. Do a slow walk of your campsite before you leave, checking under logs and anywhere the wind might have carried a loose peg or bottle cap. If it wasn't there when you arrived, it shouldn't be there when you go. By following these tips and tricks, you'll not only have a fantastic time out in nature, but also ensure that the environment remains beautiful for the next happy campers. And before you head out, remember to check the Parks Victoria website to book your campsite and check the conditions.